Today we are going to make Cajun pasta. It's very easy and yummy recipe. Let's start our today recipe. Take 500 grams boneless chicken. Add salt to taste. 2 teaspoon crushed red chili. Cajun mix 2 tablespoon. Old Bay mix 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic powder 1/2 teaspoon. Smoked paprika powder 1 teaspoon. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil, then mix properly that all chicken is covered with spices. Bay mix and Cajun mix spice into description box. Rest chicken for 1 hour. In pan add 4 tablespoon oil. Then wait until oil is properly hot. Then add chicken and wait until it changes its color from one side. After 2 minutes change the side. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Change chicken side from time to time. Cook on medium to high flame. When chicken ready, keep it aside. In the same pan add 1 tablespoon of butter. Wait until butter melts. Add 1 small chopped onion. Fry for 1 minute. Then add 1 small chopped tomato. Cook 3 to 4 minutes. When onion change its color to transparent. Cook on medium flame. Then add 1 tablespoon of white flour. Cook 2 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1½ cup of heavy cream. Add Cajun spices. Crushed red chili. Here I add 1 more ½ cup of heavy cream because I feel that's not enough. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Then add ½ cup of Parmesan cheese. Cook until cheese melted. Then add pasta, which I already boil according to the instructions on the pasta packet. You also do same with your pasta. Then add some of fried chicken. Cook for 2 minutes. Then add some baby spinach and cover it for 1 minute. Then mix it. Cut the chicken into strips and put them on top of your pasta. Your yummy creamy Cajun pasta is ready to eat. For yummy and easy recipes, subscribe to our channel.